Programming each hotel TV individually is a nightmare. It's time-consuming and prone to errors. Imagine the chaos of inconsistent settings across rooms. But what if there was a way to streamline this process? Let's set up one Samsung Master TV, clone its settings, and apply them to hundreds of TVs in minutes. Achieve uniformity effortlessly with just a USB drive. Step 1. Set one TV with all your preferred hospitality settings. This will be the Master TV. Step 2. Plug in the USB drive into the USB port located on the back of the TV. Step 3. Access the interactive menu by pressing Menu 119, Enter. In that order. Step 4. Select Clone TV to USB, then press Enter. When the message pops up, press Enter again. Step 5. Once the cloning is complete, you can then unplug the USB from the Master TV. Step 6. Repeat steps 2 and 3 on the other TV. Select Clone USB to TV, then press Enter. When the message pops up, press Enter again. Once the cloning is complete, you can safely unplug the USB from the TV. Experience seamless plug-and-play with USB cloning. Enjoy perfect settings across all rooms instantly. Need assistance ordering new TVs? Reach out to Transworld for expert support. Email sales at twstransworld.com or call 8004248550.